Hi, Michael J. Williams, licensed real estate consultant and client experience specialist for Spica Real Estate. Hi, welcome to our second episode of Give Thanks and Eat Pie. We're on location at one of our stage condominiums in Sierra Field down in Byron Center. These condos are being built by CBH Building and Development. One of the questions that we got was from Kate L. And Kate lives in Rockford, and she said, how much turkey do I need for each person? So Kate, if you Google that or you look anywhere, most everything is gonna say about 1 pound of meat per person. So, and that's actually really a good rule of any meat that comes on a bone. If you're gonna cook ribs, you're gonna cook chicken, you're gonna cook turkey, is really you want about 1 pound per person. If you're the kind of family that wants to send some leftovers with people, enjoy the turkey well after Thanksgiving, and you wanna have stuff for sandwiches the next day, then you wanna go up to 1.5 pounds per person, and that's going to give you a lot of turkey to go around. When do I buy my turkey? Well, Kate, if you're gonna get a frozen turkey or a traditional turkey such as your butterball, now would be a great time to go ahead and buy that, usually about a week to 2 weeks before, and you want to keep it in the freezer. And then in order for you to thaw it out, you're gonna want to stick it in the refrigerator. If you have about a 16-pound turkey, that's gonna take about 4 days to thaw. If you're doing fresh turkey, you don't want to get that maybe 1 or 2 days before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is a very special holiday that's steeped in heavy tradition. And your family may have some favorite dishes or favorite items that they serve each year that you enjoy. We've used the same successful menu year after year. And so we always start off with a pumpkin soup with chili cranberry relish. It's one of our family favorites. And then we actually cook off 2 large turkey breasts. We also do some apple and onion stuffing muffins. Kate L. from Rockford also asked, what is a great side dish other than the traditional Campbell's soup green bean casserole? Well, Kate, I love Brussels sprouts and butternut squash. We make a Brussels sprout butternut squash dish with an orange vinaigrette. We serve it hot and it's amazing.